Today I have some reseller tasks to do that I really don't feel like doing, so I figured why not sit down and chat with you guys while I complete them. So if you're in need of company to get stuff done, then today's video is for you. Let's roll the intro and then we'll get right into cleaning some shoes. Friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Veronika and I'm a part-time reseller and a very part-time YouTuber. I haven't really uploaded anything of significant length in a while, so yay, we're back. We got gloves on, so that means we're getting down to business today. We're gonna clean some shoes that I picked up on 2 separate bins haul, and then also 1 bag of shoes that I just picked up today from my honey hole. And I wanna get them ready to be photographed, but I also wanna get them ready to look nice when I film 2 hauls later on today, potentially. So let's just jump right into it and we'll chat while we clean. So, I got my trusty supplies. I got some Goo Gone. I have like a little bit of warm water over here. I have the pink stuff, all my essentials. I have a whole bunch of magic erasers. I think these are like off-brand and these are the real deal. I don't know, doesn't really matter. Some rags and things. I have my trusty brushes for suede. I also have like a suede renewer that I really don't use all that much. I have my Doc Martens Wonder Balm and some saddle soap, which I don't think is good anymore. It sounds like it's a little rock in there. There's a little rock in there, but got my Doc Martens. And I have some other odds and ends in here, some disinfectant spray, etc., etc. This I'm pretty sure is done. We're just gonna toss her, but I will get more of this if I pick up more leather shoes, because the Kiwi saddle soap is actually pretty nice. Okay, haven't cleaned shoes in a while, so I need to replenish my supplies. I also always have some like disinfecting wipes next to me while we do this. Just sometimes you just need to wipe things down, and for some things baby wipes actually work really well, but for others sometimes you want to, you know, get a little bit of extra disinfectant in there. So let me start with the bag that came from my most recent bins trip, I think a week ago. I haven't filmed the haul yet, but I have everything ready to film the haul. Like everything is washed and these shoes all need to be cleaned, so I can do that. So you will probably see them in that haul. So I'm gonna clean up these Vans, SpongeBob Vans. This is probably a better way to look at them. So I'm gonna try and kind of like organize this in a way that makes sense. For these, what I mainly need to be doing is just to clean up the midsole, give it a good once over. The fabric itself looks fine. There's a little bit of wear on here, but I don't think I'm too concerned about that. I'm not gonna toss these in the washer. I don't really think that would be necessary. And one thing that I like to do to clean up, like especially white soles, midsoles, etc. like this, I actually use my magic eraser and I spray some of the Goo Gone on there, which, ooh, we're gonna need more soon if we're gonna be picking up shoes. Hello, are you working? There you are. Okay, Goo Gone is so tricky because it just gets everywhere. Yeah, so I put that on there, and then I feel like the combination of the magic eraser and the Goo Gone actually does a really good job getting everything off kind of like on the first try, depending on how dirty your shoes are. But I just given it a couple good wipes and we're already seeing some progress. I at least am seeing some progress. I don't know how much of that you'll be able to see on camera, but I also wanted this to be a little bit of a chatty work with me situation. Let me put something down so I can put these on my legs, not getting all this gunk on my pants. So I wanted to chat with you guys a little bit because I kind of like to give a little bit of a, I don't want to call it life update. I think that's so tacky when YouTubers do that, but just a little bit of an update, what's been going on with me. I haven't really been posting long form content. I've been doing my Realist and Relax lives, but I know not everybody watches those because, you know, some people just prefer pre-recorded content over lives. This one is not that good. I'm gonna try and see if my actual magic eraser is a little bit better, and yeah, about the same. So it might just be the nature of the dirt on here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with the pink stuff. That stuff, that pink stuff is really good. Oh God, I'm running low on this as well. So let's see what we can do with this. But yeah, as I was saying, I've been chatting about, you know, things that are going on with me a little bit here and there on my Realist and Relax that maybe, you know, explain a little bit better why I haven't been really filming a whole lot. Not that there's anything, you know, massively major going on. It's just life, you know, life as a single parent with a full-time job and a child who's also going through some stuff that we're taking care of at school. And yeah, it's a lot. And sometimes, you know, you need to make decisions about what's most important and what takes priority and precedence. And a lot of times YouTube is not the first thing on my list. It's my job, my child, and then, you know, reselling, of course, is somewhere on that list as well. So YouTube is usually a little bit behind that. I need something to get some of this stuff out of the sole. Just pulling random objects that are like pointy enough to get stuff out of soles. Not that I'm going all out cleaning up the outsole of an item, but just to give it a good, you know, little once over. Like there's still a little bit of stuff in there, but I'm not too worried about that because they're Vans, and even though they're SpongeBob Vans, they're not, you know, like $100 worth of, you know, in resale value. So I'm not really worried about these. I'm gonna clean them up as best as I can, and then whatever they go for, they'll go for. These are from the bin, so they were not very expensive. So as I was saying, life's going on. It's busy. Work is busy. We're down by one person who is getting replaced very soon, but it's when you work for a small organization with a very small team, it's really hard to like be down one team member because everybody's gonna have to pick that up. So my work has been keeping me really, really busy. It's a really busy time of the year for us, and I've been really preoccupied with that. And then when I'm done with work, I pick up my child from school, and honestly, I just want to vegetate on the couch at the end of the day and not do anything, and I may be able to get some listings done or some relistings done. But a lot of times I don't feel like being on camera and doing the whole song and dance for YouTube. So it's been a little bit harder doing that. Not that I don't enjoy it. It's just, it is, you know, it is a different kind of effort from, you know, doing other things really. What is this? Huh. Pretty sure this is supposed to be there. It's like some imagery of something, I'm assuming, related to SpongeBob. I've never really watched SpongeBob, so I don't know all the characters, so don't come for me. But yeah, so filming YouTube videos has taken a bit of a backseat out of necessity, but I really hope that you guys understand. And you know, there's so much content out there to watch. It's not like the YouTube world is suffering a great loss when I don't put out a video in a month, you know? Not that I don't enjoy filming the content or providing the content and want to engage and interact with people, but yeah, I am very well aware that I'm a relatively small channel, and I appreciate every single one of you guys watching and commenting and liking and all the things. And if you're subscribed, I appreciate you being subscribed. But in the grand scheme of things, I understand that, you know, I'm not, I'm one of many small channels, and yeah, even though people may miss my content when I'm not around, it's not like the end of the world. Not that anyone's channel, like, going dark would be the end of the world, but we all have our people that we like to watch and who we would miss if they weren't around anymore, if they weren't providing content anymore. In sort of conjunction with not really filming much YouTube content, I also haven't really been watching a whole lot of YouTube. I, you know, will pop in on lives and such for friends when I have time and when I remember that they're live, that sort of thing. But yeah, I haven't really been sitting down and watching a lot of reseller content lately. And, you know, sometimes you go through phases where it's just like, you have so much going on in your life already. And then you have all your reselling stuff that you're dealing with, just, you know, getting it done. And sometimes you just don't want to hear more about it, you know, on top of everything you're already doing, especially when you're putting content out there, whether it's, you know, with YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or whatever. Real quick, as I'm cleaning these, I picked up some Crocs from the bins. These are just some slides, but they were kind of cool and different. These are a junior size 5, whatever that means. I feel like, I don't know, the J sizing on Crocs is really weird to me because these look bigger than like a women's 5. So I don't even know what exactly that means. But I recently sold a pair of Crocs, like classic Crocs in, I think it was the same size, relatively quickly on eBay. Just a plain pair of black Crocs, and Crocs still do okay for me, and I'll pick them up when I get them at the bins. So anyway, so yeah, the reseller YouTube community has not been my priority lately. I did do an auction with Glamour, and some of you were there and some of you purchased, and I appreciate that, and I do enjoy doing that. But that was like one of the other things that's, you know, it requires preparation and work ahead of time. And even though you're only on for like half an hour, you need to get ready for it. And then afterwards you invoice and ship and do all those things. So it does require some extra work that I don't have on a regular week. So again, just things that took precedence. All right, these beauties, I don't think I have to do anything with them. Maybe just a quick wipe down. They have a little bit of a mark, but I don't think there's anything I can do about that. This one is in much better shape. It's weird. So these are Stuart Weitzman, and they're like a golden shiny patent leather situation, but they're in pretty good shape, so I really don't want to mess with them too much. I'm going to wipe down the outsole, but they're vintage. I'm pretty sure. I mean, they look vintagey to me. I will use a disinfectant wipe to just wipe down the inside of them, but other than that, I think they're fine. They have, again, like a small mark on the side there. I don't even know if you can see that. A little bit of scratching on the inside, but I don't think there's much I can do about that. And given that I grabbed these from the bins, and not sure how much I can get for these, but yeah. Stuart Weitzman is not really a brand I pick up a lot, but some of their styles can do okay. I mean, it's, I guess, technically designer, so yeah, wouldn't pay up for it. Also, just like if it was just any basic pair, I probably wouldn't have picked it up, but I really like the shiny gold situation. It's even shinier on camera. It's not that well, when the light hits it, yes, I guess. Okay, but these are in pretty good shape. What size are these? They're an 8. Okay, these beauties I don't think need any work. I'll just give them a quick wipe down. They are Torrid boots, if I remember correctly. God, I love picking up Torrid boots. And Torrid boots, I feel like a lot of people leave behind because on the outsole, oh my God, you cannot tell they're Torrid. Like, they're very inconspicuous. And a lot of times I see boots and I'm like, they're well made, but not like designer well made. But they're also like a W size, like a wide calf or wide width. So I'm like, I'm pretty sure these are Torrid. These are beautiful. Oh my God, I love them. What size are these? Oh, bummer, where's the size on these? Oh, they're 7W. Okay guys, editing Veronika here. Unfortunately at that point in the video, without me knowing, my camera crapped out and the next like 3 or 4 files, video files, just are damaged in some fashion. The very final file is still intact. So I'm gonna cut ahead here to my little outro, and then if you're interested in all the other items that I cleaned in this video, check out my haul that I ended up doing live on that day when I filmed this video, because my camera was not working. I will link that above, below, everywhere. And then I also have another haul coming up where I show the items that I picked up from my honey hole that I was not able to show in this video because I don't know what's going on with my camera. So fast forward to the outro, sorry about that, and I will put out another haul video very soon. Alright, I have another big bag full of shoes to clean from my previous bins haul that I shared here live on YouTube. I can link that somewhere. I forgot where. I think this is where I point. But I'm gonna do that off camera because my camera tends to run hot and the battery's running low. And like I said, I have 2 more hauls to film today or tomorrow, we'll see. So I wanna keep it alive long enough. But thank you guys for hanging out with me and like cleaning stuff. Appreciate it. This made time pass a little bit faster for me. And yeah, I'm gonna finish up cleaning these shoes and then get them ready to be listed and shown off in a haul. And I will see you guys very, very soon in another video or for a relist and relax live. I will link the next one down below in the description and also up here. And yeah, see you then. I hope you can make it. Bis dann. Cheers.